everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Preet and today we are starting with 10 days yoga challenge. Every day we are going to practice flow on different themes. So we'll be working on new muscles, new body parts every day. I hope you enjoy this beautiful journey. So we'll start with a simple child pose. We're going to maintain a hip distance between your knees. With a deep inhale, just lengthen your spine. And with an exhale, land your belly on your thighs, rest your forehead on the floor, stretch your arms back, and just let's take a few deep breaths here. With every inhale, feel your spine getting slightly rounded. And with every exhale, feel how the spine softens into the thighs. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And with an inhale, bring your hands forward, lift the head up and directly land into a tabletop position. So today's theme is spinal mobility. To start with that, we are going to practice some spinal waves in tabletop. Now with every inhale, you're going to bring your spine into a cat pose and move the hip forward. And with every exhale, you will bring your spine in the camel and move the hip back. Inhale into cat, move the hip forward. Exhale into camel, move the hip back. Inhale into the cat. Exhale in the camel. Inhale in the cat. Exhale in the camel. Inhale in the cat. And exhale in the camel. Now we are going to reverse these movements. So this time when we go back, we are going to bring our spine in the cat pose. And when we come forward, we'll bring the spine in a camel. So with an inhale, arc your lower back, come into a cat pose, move the hip back. And with an exhale, round the back, move your hip forward. Inhale into the cat, move your hip back. Exhale into the camel, move your hip forward. Inhale, cat, hip moving back. Exhale, camel, hip moving forward. Inhale, cat, hip moves back. Exhale, camel, hip moves forward. And now just relax here. Maintain your tabletop position and now with a deep inhale, lift the right hand up towards the ceiling. And with an exhale, bring the right hand out from below your left hand. We're going to feel a gentle shoulder opening in the right hand side. Hold here for just one inhale. Now from here, try to let go of the left hand support and lift the left arm up like you're trying to reach for the ceiling. Again, hold here for one deep inhale. Now to make this pose even more challenging, just tuck in the left toe, lift the left knee up and try to balance your body here. Let's hold for 3, 2, 1. Without dropping your hand down, try lifting the left leg up and now moving the left leg forward close to your right hand. With an inhale, place your left palm on the ground, release the right hand and just drop your hip back on your right heel. Now grab your left toe with the left hand and with a deep inhale, lift the right hand up and just try leaning to the left hand side. Now make sure that you're not wobbling down towards your thigh like this. Your chest should open towards the sky. For one breath, inhale, exhale. And with an inhale, gently bring the hand down. Exhale, release the right foot, place your bum on the floor. Inhale, again lengthen the spine. Exhale, move the hands forward and try coming down on the elbows, or you can also place your forehead on the ground. Again, hold here for 1, inhale, and you exhale. Inhale, lift the head up. Place the right hand back behind your right hip. With a deep inhale, lift the hip up, stretch the left hand back and try gazing at the sky. Try pushing the hip forward for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. With an exhale, drop your hip down. Place your hands in front and again join the legs in tabletop. We'll repeat the same flow to the other side. So with a deep inhale, lift the left hand up this time. And with an exhale, bring the left hand out from below the right hand. Now just try turning the right shoulder towards the sky. As you take another inhale, lift the right arm up, let go of the support. Now from here, just tuck in your right toe, lift the right knee up and try to press your toes against the floor, lengthening the back of your thigh and your calf. To make this pose even more challenging, press into the left shoulder and try lifting the right leg up. Enjoy this wobbly feeling. With balance, move the right foot forward and drop it close to your left hand. With a deep inhale, place the right palm on the ground, release the left hand and just drop your hip back on your left heel. Grab the right toe with the right hand. With a deep inhale, lift the left hand up, lengthening the left side of your body. And with an exhale, try leaning to the right hand side. Inhale, lengthen the left side. And exhale, try coming 1 inch down. And with an inhale, lift yourself up, release your right foot. Release your left heel as well and drop your bum on the floor. Move the hands forward. You can drop your elbows on the ground or stay on your palms, or you can also come on the forehead. Just hold here for 1 breath. Inhale, exhale, and with an inhale, walk your hands back, lift the head up, place your left hand back behind the left hip. With an inhale, lift the hip up, stretch the right hand back and look up at the ceiling. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. With an exhale, bring the right hand down, drop your palms back on the floor and come back into a tabletop. From tabletop, tuck in your toes, lift the knees up and directly land into a mountain pose. Try lifting the hip higher and push the floor away from your hands. Now with an inhale, step your right foot forward between your hands and drop your back leg knee on the floor. Lift your upper body and make sure that your chest, your head is completely stacked over your hip. So you should not be leaning forward. Now maintain this 90-degree angle in both the legs and with an inhale, lift the arms up, try to reach for the ceiling. And with an exhale, turn your arms in a straight line to the right hand side. Now try looking at your right hand's middle finger. Hold for 3, 2, and 1. Join the hands in Namaskar Mudra from here. Drop your left elbow outside the right knee and look up at the ceiling. You can also look down at the floor if that helps you to balance. Hold for just 2, 1, and gently release your hand, drop your palms on the floor, step your right leg back in the mountain. Enjoy your mountain pose for just 1 deep inhale. And with an exhale, step your left leg forward between your hands, right knee resting on the ground, lift the upper body. Again, with an inhale, lift the arms up straight. Try reaching for the ceiling. And with an exhale, bring your arms in a straight line, turn back. Hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently join the palms in Namaskar Mudra. Now drop your right elbow outside your left knee. Try bringing your elbows in a straight line and look up at the ceiling or look down at the floor. For 5, 4, and 3. Release your elbow, place your palm again back on the floor. Take the left leg back in the mountain. Just hold in your last mountain pose. You are allowed to keep your knees slightly bent or straight, whatever feels good here. And with an exhale, drop your knees on the ground. Flatten your toes, land into the child pose from where we had started. Just relax here. And notice the openness in the spine. Notice the lightness in your body. Enjoy your child pose for as long as you wish to. So thank you so much for showing up today. This was the first day of your challenge where we had done something for your spinal mobility. And just like that, tomorrow we'll be working on something new. So I'll be seeing you tomorrow on your mat at the same time. Bye.